Welcome to spmathsolutions 10th class maths chapter 6 progressions. In this chapter we have to learn 6.1 exercise. First problem, in which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? First one, the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is 20 rupees for the first kilometer and rise by 8 rupees for each additional kilometer. See here, first kilometer fare emo 20 rupees అని ఇచ్చాడు అండ్ ఆల్సో ఆఫ్టర్ ఫస్ట్ కిలోమీటర్ ఈచ్ కిలోమీటర్ రైస్ బై 8 rupees అని ఇచ్చాడు. Solution, given that first we have to write the given data. The taxi fare for the first kilometer is 20 rupees and each kilometer after first kilometer rise by 8 rupees, which means after first kilometer second kilometer price 2 kilometers taxi fare for 2 kilometers is equal to 20 plus 8, 28 rupees. Taxi fare for 3 kilometers is equal to 28 plus 8, that is 36 rupees. And also taxi fare for 4 kilometers 36 plus 8 is equal to 44 rupees. Therefore the list of taxi fares we have to write as 20, 28, 36, 44 and so on. This is the list of taxi fares. We have to check this list form AP or not. First we have to check the difference between two successive terms. 20, 28, 8 is the difference. 28, 36, 8 difference. 36, 44, 8 difference. The difference is common. There is a common difference between two successive terms which is 8 rupees. Therefore, the list of taxi fares make arithmetic progression. The difference is common. The difference is fixed number between two successive terms. Then the list of taxi fares forms an arithmetic progression. Are you understood or not? There is only one key point. The difference is same between two successive terms. That's why the list forms an arithmetic progression. In formula, we have to check the common difference formula. Term 2 minus term 1 is equal to term 3 minus term 2 is equal to term 4 minus term 3. Then the answer is same, 8 rupees. That's why the given situation makes an arithmetic progression. Second problem, the amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Solution, let the amount of the air in the cylinder be some 800 liters. Let the amount of air in the cylinder be some 800 liters. The given problem, the amount of air are not given. That's why we have to say cylinder has 800 liters of air. Given that we have a clue, vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air. That means 1/4 of 800, which is equal to 200 liters. 1/4 of the air removing the vacuum pump. That's why we have to write remaining air in the cylinder is equal to total minus removing air. 800 minus 200, that is equal to 600 liters. Now the cylinder has 600 liters of air. So at the second time the vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air. This is the second time. Vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the 600 liters, that is equal to 1/4 into 600. After cancellation we have 150. Therefore the remaining air in the cylinder is equal to 600 liters minus removing air 150. 600 minus 150 is equal to 450 liters. Now the cylinder has 450 liters of air. Again third time vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air. సిచ్యువేషన్స్ అన్నీ ఎందుకు అంటే మనకు ఒక లిస్ట్ ఫార్మేషన్ కోసం, ఒక సిరీస్ ఫార్మేషన్ కోసం. 1/4 ఆఫ్ ది 450 లీటర్స్, 1/4 ఇంటూ 450. ఆఫ్టర్ క్యాన్సిలేషన్ వీ హ్యావ్ 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. Therefore 112.5 liters. Therefore the remaining air in the cylinder is equal to 450 liters minus removing air 112.5. Removing air in the cylinder is equal to 450 minus removing air 112.5, that is equal to 337.5 liters. Now we have to take the list of air in the cylinder. The volume of air after first time, second time, third time, and so on. First the cylinder has 800, after removing 600, second time removing 450 liters, and also third time 337.5 liters. This is the list of numbers the cylinder has volume of air. Now we have to check the list forms arithmetic progression or not. Have to check the difference between two successive terms. 200, these two has 150 difference, and 450 and 337.5 has 112.5 difference. Have to check the formula also, common difference formula, term 2 minus term 1 and term 3 minus term 2, term 4 minus term 3. ఆ వాల్యూస్ అన్నీ సేమ్గా ఉన్నట్లయితే దెర్ ఈజ్ ఏ కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ అని వస్తుంది. వాల్యూస్ ఇక్కడ సేమ్ కాదు. చూడండి ఇక్కడ డిఫరెన్సెస్ మనకి 200, 150, 112.5. There is no common difference between two successive terms. Therefore, the given situation does not make an arithmetic progression. Now, third bit, the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs 150 rupees for the first meter and rises by 50 rupees for each subsequent meter. This problem is same as first problem, taxi fare. Solution: first, given that cost for digging a well for the first meter is equal to 150 rupees. Cost for digging a well for the first meter is equal to 150 rupees. Now there is a situation for each subsequent meter rise by 50 rupees. First meter cost 150 rupees and then ఈచ్ మీటర్కి 50 రూపీస్ రైజ్ అవుతుందని మనకి ఇచ్చాడు. ఫస్ట్ మీటర్ 150 అయితే 2 మీటర్స్కి 150 ప్లస్ 50 200, 3 మీటర్స్కి 200 ప్లస్ 50 250, 4 మీటర్స్కి 250 ప్లస్ 50 300. ఈచ్ మీటర్కి 50 మనకి ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతూ ఉంది. మనకు ఒక సిరీస్ ఫామ్ అయింది. Therefore meters 5 meters की మనకు ఒక కాస్ట్ 5 కాస్ట్స్, ఈ కాస్ట్తో మనం ఒక సిరీస్ ఫార్మేషన్ చేసాము. ఈచ్ టర్మ్ స్టార్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద సెకండ్ టర్మ్ ఈజ్ ఆబ్టైన్డ్ బై యాడింగ్ 50 టు ద ప్రిసీడింగ్ టర్మ్కి మనకి ఇక్కడ ఒక ఫిక్స్డ్ నెంబర్ యాడ్ అయితేనే మనకి సెకండ్ టర్మ్ వచ్చింది. అండ్ ఆల్సో థర్డ్ టర్మ్, ఫోర్త్ టర్మ్, ఫిఫ్త్ టర్మ్ అండ్ సో ఆన్. ఈచ్ టర్మ్ 200 ఎలా వచ్చింది, 150కి 50 యాడ్ చేస్తే. 250 ఎలా వచ్చింది, 200కి 50 యాడ్ చేస్తే. అట్లా యాడింగ్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ ఫిక్స్డ్. అండ్ ఆల్సో ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ టూ సక్సెసివ్ టర్మ్స్ ఈజ్ ఫిక్స్డ్. ఏదైతే యాడ్ చేసామో ఆ నెంబరే టూ సక్సెసివ్ టర్మ్స్ మధ్య డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంది. దర్ ఈస్ ఏ కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ టూ సక్సెసివ్ టర్మ్స్. మనం కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఫామ్లో కూడా ఇక్కడ అప్లై చేయొచ్చు. డి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు టర్మ్ 2 మైనస్ టర్మ్ 1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు టర్మ్ 3 మైనస్ టర్మ్ 2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు టర్మ్ 4 మైనస్ టర్మ్ 3. సేమ్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది 15. దెర్ఫోర్ గివెన్ సిచ్యువేషన్ మేక్స్ అన్ అరిథమెటిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్. Exercise 6.1 first problem lo fourth bit. The amount of money in the account every year when 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. Solution: amount deposited is equal to 10,000 rupees given compound interest is equal to 8% per annum. We have a formula about compound interest is equal to A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. Here P is principal amount 10,000 and R is the rate of interest 8 whole power n, which means first year, and is equal to 1. 10,000 into LCM is 100 plus 8, that is equal to 10,000 into 108 divided by 100. Here is a cancellation, 2 zeros and 2 zeros cancel. Therefore 100 into 108, therefore 10,800. At the first year ending we have 10,800. Amount is second year. At the second year we have 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 whole square and is equal to 2. Here we have 2 years. For the 2 years amount, 10,000 into LCM is 100, numerator is 100 plus 8 whole square. 10,000 into 108 whole divided by 100 whole square, which means we have to separate this. 10,000 into 108 by 100 into 108 by 100, cancellation, 2 zeros 2 zeros. 2 zeros cancel. 108 into 108 is equal to 11,664. The amount is, first year amount is 10,800 and second year amount is 11,664. And also we have third year. At the end of third year we have 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 whole cube. 10,000 into LCM is 100 and numerator is 100 plus 8, 108. 108 divided by 100 whole cube. 108 by 100 into 108 by 100 into 108 by 100. Cancellation. After cancellation we have the amount is 12,597.12. There is a series. At the first year ending we have 10,800 amount, second year ending 11,664 and the third year ending we have 12,597.12. This is the list of numbers. How to check the series forms an AP or not. How to check the common difference. Term 2 minus term 1 is equal to 864. Also term 3 minus term 2 is equal to 933.12. There is no common difference between two successive terms. Therefore, the given situation does not form an MP, hence proved. Please subscribe to our channel SP Maths Solutions.